The Supreme Committee on COVID-19 held a press conference today. Started with His Excellency Dr. Ahmed bin Mohammed Al-Saidi, Minister of Health, taking the third dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. The Minister of Health said that the third dose of the COVID-19 vaccine is different from a booster dose. It's important for cancer patients, those who have undergone an organ transplant, have AIDS, and patients receiving immunosuppressive drugs. His Excellency mentioned that the Oman health sector was on the verge of collapse during the last wave of COVID-19, adding that the fear and concern of having to face another wave of COVID-19 exists in the Sultanate of Oman as in other countries around the world. He noted that vaccination alone is not enough and the Supreme Committee is closely monitoring the situation in the country. He also said authorities will soon announce measures against those who violate COVID-19 Supreme Committee's decision by entering into government and commercial institutions and have not been vaccinated. Regarding gatherings and prayers at mosques, the minister said that the decision of the Supreme Committee is to prevent gatherings is still valid, as there's no one in the mosques who can make sure that all worshippers have been vaccinated. On the possibility of another closure or ban, the minister expressed hope that there will not have to be imposed a ban again, appealing to all to take necessary precautionary measures which have been set by the Supreme Committee. He said that as the Delta variant of the COVID-19 virus is now spread worldwide, there is no intention at the moment for any closures, but the committee could decide to return to classification of countries by red, green, yellow method if needed. He added that working groups have been formed by the Ministry of Education and Health to ensure vaccination in the educational sectors. The Minister of Health said there have been 8 new cases of COVID-19, 13 new recoveries, and 0 deaths, with 2 patients of Yemeni nationality remain in the ICU. Meanwhile, Dr. Amal bin Saif Al-Ma'aniya, a consultant in the infectious diseases and infection control of the Ministry of Health, said that they have noticed a steady increase on influenza cases, especially influenza A, and there have been outbreaks of influenza that extended up to 100 people, and they've monitored deaths due to it as well. She stressed that no side complications from children wearing masks, according to specialists from pediatric and public health sectors.